Snow, 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 snow.
Spontaneous science!
Merry Christmas and welcome to Spontaneous Science! Still need to work on it just a little bit, but we are glad that you are here and glad that you are able to join us for this weather experiment. Now, I don't know about you, but my favorite season, not for the weather, but for what happens in that season, is winter. Because I just love snow and how snow is all made and how it comes into little cutouts and I just like snow. And the one thing I like about snow is that you can put it into a little ball and smash it into somebody's face. But we're not going to do that today. But we are going to make a snowball out of vinegar. White vinegar, blueberry vinegar, apple vinegar. You can have any vinegar that you like. We need vinegar. We need a bowl. I just got a little bowl here. We need baking soda, Arm & Hammer, not baking powder. You're probably going to need a spoon, maybe not. And then you are going to need aluminum foil. Oh, that one's down. New one. And then you're probably going to want a plate too. And you're going to need some water. I always do this to myself. Hold on. Alright, I am back with the water. And so let's get this experiment on the way. So we're going to put this off to the side. And what we are going to do first is we are going to put our baking soda into the bowl. Now you can pour a good amount of baking soda in. I say just about a cup. Cup of baking soda. And there we go. So we got a cup of baking soda. And you're going to take your sauce. This isn't soda. This is water. Water. You're going to take your water and you're going to gently pour it in. You don't have to put too much in, but you just have to put in enough. Alright. So let's try just a little bit. Let's try that. You can always add powder in later. And I'm going to put aluminum foil down on the table. There we go. And just get that little there. Alright. And as you can already see, the water and the baking soda. Baking soda has already absorbed and started to absorb the water. And that's a good thing because we kind of want to get our hands messy. I know scientists should wear gloves, but it's okay. It's not going to do any harm to my pretty little fingers. Alright. So, let's get our hands messy. You're going to want to get right in there. You want to make a snowball. And it's moldable. I'm going to need a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. Alright. Just a little bit of water. And then finish molding your snowball. Let's just take it out. Alright, there we go. I am molding the baking soda. And just a little more water. Okay, I'm going to use the rest of this. Try to get as big as you can. You can do the whole box if you want. It's quite interesting to see what's going to happen here. Alright. I'm going to roll this around, try to get all the baking soda that I can. Sprinkle. Do that little. Doesn't work. Alright. Here we go. We got a little tiny snowball.
Snowball.
It's snowball time. Alright, so we're going to set our snowball right in the middle, and I'm going to wash my hands. And we're back! Alright, so, winter is very cold, but summer is very hot. And one of the things that kids like to do in the summer is squirt somebody right in the face with a squirt gun. But we're not going to do that today, especially not in the face, because this is very toxic if you do it. Okay, so what you're going to do, our secret ingredient to this experiment is, you guessed it, a squirt gun. Whoops. A squirt gun. Alright? But we are not going to fill it with water. We are going to fill it with vinegar. Vinegar inside the squirt gun. And never use it again. Alright. Only for this purpose. So, we got a squirt gun. And what we're going to do is we're going to squirt our snowball. Alright? So, for those viewers at home, I'm going to kind of turn just a little so you guys can see all the action that happens. Here we go. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And there we go. There we have it. You can see the white goo just gushing out, and also lots of mess. And so you're going to want to have a good area to make a mess in. But we are going to be done with our water gun at this moment. So we're just going to put it right back into the drawer and put it back in. And so, Mr. Sperry, how do we dispose of this snowball? Do we throw it at somebody? Do we throw it at our pets? Do we throw it at our pet squid? No. What we're going to do is we're just going to dispose of it in a cup of vinegar. So, alright. So, we are going to need a plate. You already got your snowball made, so we're going to set that off to the side for a minute. Put the plate in the center. And then you are going to fill a cup with vinegar. And I don't have a cup. I'm going to go get a cup. Cup. Alright, we got a cup. And we're going to put it right in the center of the plate. And this is to kind of collect what's going to happen here. Alright, so we are going to pour vinegar into the cup. And the more the better, as I always say. Alright, so we got a full cup of vinegar. And we have a snowball that needs to be thrown away. Not at anybody's face or octopus or anything like that. Alright. So we are simply going to put it in the cup and see what happens here. See how we dispose it? Alright. In 3, 2, 1. I thought that was going to be more explosive. But as you can see here, the vinegar has eaten the snowball. And pretty soon the snowball will be no more. And you won't have to take care of it anymore. But you will have to take care of this mess. But, so that's all the time we have for today. And until next time, I don't have an ending slogan. But, this has been
Spontaneous science.